So this is the Fab Feb Finds edit from ASOS. This is the February box. Let's get in here. Hi there guys and welcome. Today's video I have this. So this is the February ASOS box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. So here is the box, very colourful indeed. So I think this one is called Fab Feb Finds, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. But yeah, let's open her up and have a little sneak peek. I am trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, so if you have not already, like I say, if you could subscribe, that would be brilliant. Please share my channel on your social medias with your friends and your family. Hopefully they'll like my channel, they'll subscribe, and we can get to that 2,000 point, because I have 3 great prizes to give away. I'm going to link a video just here, and that's going to show you what the 3 prizes are. The main one is the 2021 glossy advent calendar, which is absolutely amazing. But yeah, so in the box we get this. It's the little edit card. It has a little bit of information on there, not a lot, but we will go through that throughout the video. Inside it is lovely and pink, and there is a sneak peek for you. Not a very good one, but it's there you go. So without further ado, let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So ASOS tend to do a monthly box. There's no set date for it, and it's not a subscription. You have to physically go on the website and keep checking to see if they've uploaded any boxes or not. This one costs £12. I will link it down below in the information box if it is still available. I bought mine yesterday. I don't know if it's available today, if I'm 100% honest with you. But yeah, if it is, I'll link it below. Here is the edit card. There we go, and it does say, yep, Fab Feb Finds is the name of the edit, and it just says the month of love is here, and whether you're heading out for the first date or your 3,000th date or a mate's date, you want to look and feel your best. That's where this ASOS face and body box comes in. It's filled to the brim with beauty bests from Charlotte Tilbury, Nuxe, Smashbox and more. Read on for the further routine. Okay, let's just do that then. Right, next it just says picture the scene. You're excited for the evening ahead. You've got a bath running, your outfit's laid out, and you've already decided the perfect makeup look. But first, you've got to wash your face. So apply the Nuxe Very Rose Micellar Water to a cotton pad before gently wiping your face. Trust us, this stuff helps get rid of even waterproof makeup and doesn't leave your skin feeling tight. Okay, so very interested indeed. I've had lots of rose micellar waters in my time, but never one from Nuxe, so it's really good to try a different one. It smells lovely. It smells so nice. There is a rosiness to the smell, which is absolutely fine by me. It's 40 mils that you're getting here as well, so I am obsessed with micellar water, so really happy to get this. Now you're ready for a bath, but don't forget to throw in your Miss Patisserie Geo bath ball first. So yeah, here it is. It is so nice. So it's pink on the bottom, and then yeah, look at that, it's like a minty green, and then you've got the geode. Oh, and I get to use this because I don't know when it's going to happen, but I am moving and I've got a bath. So really excited, and yeah, it looks so pretty. I don't even want to open it, to be honest, because it looks so pretty. It smells absolutely gorgeous, and it says this is vegan as well for anybody who is interested, but that is gorgeous. On to skin prep, a fave of supermodels and MUAs everywhere. Charlotte Tilbury's iconic Magic Cream Light is all about getting ready to glow. Yeah, fab. So this is a little 5 ml sample that we've got here. I think I've tried this once before and I loved it. Yeah, I think it was in my last empties video, to be honest. Very happy to get it again. It's lovely on the skin. I don't know how well you can see that. But yeah, this is really, really nice. Your skin feels really moisturized and hydrated afterwards. So yeah, I'll probably use that up straight away yet again. Then apply a slick or two, if it's a date night, of the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara to bring some drama. We all like a bit of drama, the right kind of drama, that is. But yeah, that is what that looks like. I think I've received this once or twice before. It's in my mascara box. I haven't had a chance to try it yet. I need to do a sort out of my mascaras, to be honest. But yeah, I'm loving that brush. That brush is absolutely fantastic. That looks like a very wet formula, so we'll have to see. It might be one of those that is very wet, but the more you use it, it gets drier, because I do like a more of a drier formulation. But I'm loving that brush. Cool. I am going to have to sort the mascaras out. Finish your look with the Rimmel Plumping Lip Gloss and you're ready for a super fun night. Okay, so yeah, by Rimmel. Oh My Gloss Plump. What shade is this in? 210. Is that the shade? 210? I ain't got a clue, but it looks pretty, so let's try it out. So that is it there. It is very, very nice. It's slightly sheer, which is fine. So that means it will just look nice over a lipstick, or it'll look really pretty on its own actually, because that is very, very nice indeed. I've already got my lips on. Oh, that stinks of, it's a good stink. Aniseed. That smells of aniseed. Oh, nice. I'm gonna have to try that out, see how plumping it is on the lips. We might have to do a little separate video for it. But yeah, I'm loving the colour. Oh, and it's got like little shimmers in it too. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but yeah. Oh, I'm actually excited to try that. So this is Fab Feb Finds Edit, the ASOS February box. What do you think? Right, so personally, for the price, £12, I think it's all right. If it had been any more, like some of the ASOS box have been in the past, they've been a little bit more expensive, I wouldn't have been happy. But they get a little mascara. I'm really, really happy with that. I love testing out mascaras. We have a full-size lip gloss plumper thing, which is brilliant. We have a full-size bath bomb. And then a little taste of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and then a little deluxe mini of the Nuxe Rose Micellar Water. I think it's pretty decent. So definitely feel like I've got my money's worth. I'm really liking the products that popped in here. Yeah, all in all, massive, massive thumbs up from me. So have you got this box? Have you checked, is it still available if you haven't got this box? But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.